Hi, everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a flyer design in Canva app using your mobile phone. So without wasting time, let's create this amazing heavy vehicle poster design. First, go to Elements. Type Desert Landscape here. Choose any picture. Increase its size. Click on Elements and take a square. Increase its size and adjust it downward. Go to Color. And take any gradient color. Click on that mark and select a color from your photo. Select second color and repeat this process again. Now set the transparency of this color to 0. Flip the square and increase its size. Go to Elements and take a square again. Increase its size and adjust it. Change its color to white. Now go to Transparency and reduce its transparency to around 30 to 40. Go to Elements and type Border Shadow Horizontal. Now set this shadow towards the corner. Duplicate this shadow, flip it, and set with the other corner. Go to Elements and type Rectangle with bottom shadow. Adjust it downwards. Duplicate it, then flip the shadow, and adjust it upwards. Go to Elements and type Dump Truck. Go to Effects and remove its background. Go to Adjust and increase its saturation according to your photo. Go to Elements and type Drop Shadow. I hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when more amazing videos like this come out. See you in the next video. Goodbye.